Introducing FloCloud. This is our new digital solution to visualizing gas consumptions. FloCloud comes with a variety of hardware options. I'm going to talk you through some of those today. In this unit here, we've built up a portable welding system that will monitor how a welder is consuming the gas and the performance of the welding at the same time. Today we've installed it with several pressure sensors onto a main gas regulator and several flow sensors as well. These sensors communicate wirelessly through our gateway and provide that data back in our software tool FloCloud, where we can visualize the complete gas consumption. What we've done to set up this hardware is we've installed a high pressure sensor in the high pressure segment of this regulator, a low pressure sensor into the low pressure segment of the regulator, and then we've attached two flow sensors to allow us outputs in two output segments off the rig. You can use one, two, as many outputs as you have in your system, and what we need is one flow meter per welding system, and that will then allow us to monitor welding that's happening in that system. FloCloud pressure sensor is available in a variety of pressure ranges and also a variety of fitting options as well. This can be installed onto any gas system and is also available in optional ATEX modules as well. Once you've got it and you installed it, easy to switch on, just press and hold the small button until the red light indicator comes on. Another great piece of hardware for the FloCloud installations is the FloCloud flow meter. 0 to 50 litres per minute range and available for use in a wide variety of gases. Once you've got your hardware set up and you're ready to connect them to the gateway, first of all, put the power onto the sensors and you'll see them come on as shown here and here. The pressure sensors run off a battery and they just need to be switched on by pressing the small button. You can see currently these sensors are not connected. They're showing the small red flashing light. That indicates that they're not connected to the gateway yet. When you're ready to connect them to the gateway, just put the power to the gateway and they'll automatically connect, and the red light will turn to blue. To connect these sensors to our software, all you need to do is connect this gateway. The gateway is easily connected with some power, and then either directly using an Ethernet connector to an Ethernet port available, or through a wireless module such as this to connect to a Wi-Fi. That's it. The flow sensors, pressure sensors, and any other sensors that we have in the system will connect automatically to our gateway, and you'll be able to see them in our software FloCloud. The gateway module can be positioned close to your Wi-Fi network. And don't worry, this is a range of 1 kilometer to these sensors, so there's plenty of distance available from this gateway. Once you've got your hardware installed and operational, then you just need to set up the system in FloCloud. That's really straightforward. Then come into FloCloud and you'll be just a couple of clicks away from setting up your gas system. Come into gas systems, create your gas system, name it, and then add your devices. So that's how to set up the FloCloud hardware systems. So remember, take your sensors, install them into your hardware system, put some power to them, connect the gateway, set it up on your laptop in the FloCloud software, and then you'll be off analyzing your gas flow in an instant. Any help, any support that you require, just contact your local sales representative or dealer, or use the chat function in the FloCloud software. We're here to support you and get you running, analysing those gases and what you're doing with them.